Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. And before we get started, just a quick reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps us out. It's like today we're doing puzzle number 246. If we start with this box, we're just missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. For this box, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 9. For this box, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got the 7 covering these two boxes, so our 7 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 4, 8, 4, 8. For this top row, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 1. For this row, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. We've got 3 and 6 here, so this is our 7. But I don't see any other help. So 3, 6, 3, 6. For this row, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. For this row, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 8. And we've got the 2 covering those two boxes, so our 2 must be here. For this column, we're missing 4 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 4, 8, 4, 8. For this column, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 3. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 6. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 4. That 1 makes this our 6, 1. For this column, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. For this box now, we're just missing a 7. And that 4 makes this our 8, 4. For this box now, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here, so this is our 4. 9 here, so 3, 9. That 4 makes this our 8, 4. For this bottom row now, we're missing 2 and 8. And I don't see any help. So 2, 8, 2, 8. For this row, we're only missing a 5. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 6. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 4. 1 here, so 6, 1. That 6 makes this our 3, 6. For this column now, we're just missing a 3. And for this row, we're just missing a 2. That 2 makes this our 8, 2. And for this box now, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow for our next puzzle.